Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to chat privately with someone during a Zoom meeting. So as you can see, I've just started this meeting with a friend of mine, and let's say that I want to post some messages in the chat which should only be seen by him, which are private messages. Not everybody should see them. So how I would do that is I would just go to chat in here. Here you can see the middle option usually, and once I click on this, here if I type in a message here, for example, I will just type in test message. This would be seen by everyone because it has been sent to everyone, so you could even read this from me to everyone. But if you want to send a private message which you do not want everybody to see, now right now I've only got two people in the meeting, one of them is me, because this is just a demonstration. But if you're doing it in real life, if you're doing it in a meeting which has plenty of participants, say 10, 15, 20, once again, the number of participants is immaterial. If you're sending it to a particular person, you would just click on in here. You could see this little drop down menu if you click on this here and select the person to whom you want to send the message to. So let's say in this case, I want to send it to Adam Smith, and then you could see this little red font in here saying privately. So I would just once again type in my message. Could be anything. This is just a demonstration. So this is how you send private messages which you do not want everybody in the meeting to see. So for example, if you're sitting in some professional organization meeting and you have to discuss a particular concept on the agenda with any of your colleagues, you would of course prefer to do it privately, right? So this is how you would select the person. You just go to this drop down menu, select the person, type in the message, and yes, nobody else would be able to see it except for that person. So this is how you send private messages on Zoom during Zoom meetings.